We're here with Roland Mendez from Texas Chrome. Can you tell us a bit about your business?
Sure. Well, we're Texas Chrome, Triple R Diesel. Basically, what's based out of there is going to be your Triple R truck sales, Triple R diesel repair. We have Texas Chrome Shop, Texas Chrome Body Shop. So people can actually go there, buy a truck, fix a truck, paint a truck, customize a truck. It's kind of your one-stop shop there.
Okay.
We're sitting on 50 acres. Our shop is actually on 7 acres. So, basically we can do anything from simple fender bender on your bumper to replace it, to paint a complete truck or customize a truck completely,
Okay. And apparently you guys are supposed to be easy to see now.
Yes, we are. We're located in Atascosa, Texas, which is right off of Interstate 35. We're exit number 139. We have a 48-foot billboard we just put up, so you just go by Interstate 35, you can't miss us. We're on the right-hand side, and so that's where we're at.
And apparently you guys are taking the claim that you guys have the biggest stocks. And
Well, we hope we do. I'm sure we do. We have a 48-foot billboard that has 18-inch stacks, and they're probably the world's tallest and biggest stacks.
right on. Great. Roland, it looks like you guys have changed some things on the truck since last year. Can you maybe point them out, what you've
Sure.
done different here?
Yeah, we didn't want to bring the same truck to the show, so we decided exactly 14 days ago to get a team of 10 guys, 11 guys to redo everything from paint to mechanical part of the truck, So we did, basically, we started with the actual engine. We started adding some flames. As you can see, flames are up on the air intake. They're down there in the oil pan. Our hump hoses are painted, which was very hard to do since it's kind of the rubber plastic. We had to use a flex promoter, bulldog spray, and then we painted them. But we did also, we changed our front end airbag suspension. Now we actually hit the ground and we get about 7 inches of clearance. That was something I needed to do. A lot of guys were wondering how high can the truck go.
Right.
So once with the air up, we get 7 inches of clearance. We added, my mechanic changed out the injectors. Basically what we did, put also one of the express hood,
Okay.
kind of make it easier for us to lift and lower the hood. What we did with the actual visor of the truck, we put a newer one. We went 2 inches lower on it, added our rivets. That's kind of the theme also besides the oval. We did our chop piece. The reason I did that is probably our number one seller at our chrome shop. So I wanted to add it on our truck, make it nicer for our customers. So we curved it, made the line follow the same way, added our rivets, did the ghost flames on it. Had a lot of the parts on the trucks were the mirrors that you see last year were polished aluminum. Now they're all
Right.
chrome plated. Re-chromed the oil pan, re-chromed a lot of the stuff on the truck. As far as the interior goes, what we did, we added exactly 12 more speakers to the truck, and we redid the dash up on the top, added some paint on there, put some rear pillars besides the actual doors, and then we also did the upholstery on the seats, added our logos. Another thing we did on our cab panel, we actually cut a foot off of it. Last year we had a little problems with it being so low, got damaged, so we added our oval theme on there, as you can see, then incorporate our logo on top of it. That way it'll be flush with the actual cab panel. Before, we had the same theme underneath the truck as you see here, the same 1.5-inch row, but this year we went ahead and added our flames underneath, and then we did something cool. A lot of guys, another hot seller in our shop is train horns. So for a good friend of mine, gave me a set of original Nathan horns, and we actually cut the steel right down the middle, made our ovals, made our brackets underneath, incorporated the horns there, welded it back together, did body work. That one piece there was probably about 20 hours worth of labor. Just the body work, welding, painting it. So I think that's one of the cool features of the truck. And they're loud.
Yeah.
They are loud. So I'm excited, we did that. As you can see also, we did our oval theme on that, and that's all paint. The only thing that we kept stainless was the actual words Project 1 and a small piece here that you can see. We presented it the way it was, mirror 8 stainless. I said, you know what, why don't we paint it and just keep the actual words chrome? So it looks nice. All the guys were happy with the end result. The main thing we wanted to do this year was do something cool. I had an idea actually for Louisville to do it on one of my customers' trucks, and we were out of time. So what I did it on my truck. We actually did a turntable, a homemade turntable friend of mine had a friend that had a chopper that was kind of close to resemble my orange, so we went ahead and did that. We also have it with remote control. You know, you just hit a button, this thing turns off. If you want it to start again, all you got to hit is a button, and it starts back up.
Cool.
And of course, we put our logo on there to promote our business, Triple R Diesel and Texas Chrome Shop. But we had back here also, the whole truck was detailed. I mean, like it never has. I mean, I had 3 days of just guys waxing, detailing, buffing. I was happy about that. I mean, I never had time to get it as clean as I did. If you look inside the wheel, we tore all the wheels apart, repainted my drums and hub, and we got detailed as far as taking the wheel out, adding flames in there with jagged edge, clearing it, buffing it. All 4 wheels are painted with custom flames inside the wheel. One cool feature we did was this year we wanted to do something different. We did some airlines that come out remote control, fully functional. They're ready to go to work. All you got to do is hit a button to have the actual airlines come out. And then for you to put them back in the truck, you hit 2 buttons. And there you go.
Cool. Well, thanks for taking the time and showing us around, and we're going to go and check out some of the other trucks that you guys worked on that are in the Pride and Polish.
Yes, sir. Thank you for your time. Okay.
Thank you.